Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove page border from entire Affinity publisher document. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Affinity publisher document, and we can see here some pages with some text, and we can see here added the page border from entire pages. Now we want to remove this entire pages border at once. Enable the master pages and double click on the master page, and we can see here the border on master page. Then select this layer and delete, and we can see here remove the border. Then disable the master page and double click on the main pages. Now we can see we remove page border from entire Affinity publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.